Why your legs are getting weaker after 60 and what you must do now, hi dear. Welcome back to Voice of Wisdom. Have you ever caught yourself feeling a bit more wobbly on your feet or wondered why climbing stairs suddenly feels like a challenge? Maybe you've noticed your legs get tired faster or standing for long periods just isn't as easy as it used to be. If so, you're not alone, and you shouldn't ignore these signals. Many people assume that weak, shaky legs are just a normal part of growing older. But the truth is, leg weakness is your body's way of sending an early warning. It could be telling you that you're losing vital muscle strength, suffering from poor blood flow, or not getting enough essential nutrients. And if these warning signs are left unaddressed, they can turn into bigger problems, like dangerous falls, losing your independence, or even facing serious health risks. The good news, you don't have to accept this decline as inevitable. Once you know what's really behind leg weakness, you can take simple, proactive steps to get your strength and confidence back. Small daily changes can make a huge difference, helping you move more freely and enjoy life to the fullest at any age. In this video, we'll explore the 5 most common but often overlooked reasons your legs are getting weaker after 60. And, more importantly, what you can start doing today to fix them. Please remember, this information is for education and awareness only. It's always best to consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine. Ready to reclaim strong, steady legs? Let's dive in and uncover what your body might be trying to tell you, and how you can take control before it's too late. Reason number 5. Muscle loss, sarcopenia. As we get older, our muscles naturally shrink, a condition known as sarcopenia. This process begins as early as our 30s, but after 60, it accelerates rapidly. If you're not doing anything to counteract it, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass by your 80s. This loss of muscle weakens your legs, making everyday activities like standing up from a chair, walking long distances, or climbing stairs feel more difficult. Signs of muscle loss include thinner thighs and calves, a feeling of heaviness in your legs, and fatigue after just a short walk. The good news, you can slow or even reverse sarcopenia by incorporating simple strength exercises into your daily routine. Chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band exercises can rebuild lost muscle. Protein is also essential. Aim for lean meats, eggs, fish, dairy, nuts, and legumes to fuel muscle repair. And don't forget movement. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of walking daily can help keep your leg muscles engaged and strong. Number 4. Poor circulation, peripheral artery disease. Ever feel like your legs are cold, numb, or cramp up when you walk? This could be a sign of poor circulation, often caused by plaque buildup in the arteries, a condition known as peripheral artery disease, PAD. When your legs don't receive enough blood, they become weak, tired, and prone to cramping. In severe cases, this can even lead to slow healing wounds or infections. If your legs feel heavy or tingly after standing for a while, or if you experience pain in your calves that improves when you sit down, your circulation may be compromised. To boost blood flow, try daily walking, even if it's just around the house. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drink plenty of water and reduce salt intake to prevent swelling. Warm foot soaks, massages, and elevating your legs can also help. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor, as untreated PAD can increase your risk of heart disease and strokes. Number 3. Nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy. Do your legs or feet feel tingly, numb, or like they're burning? Does it feel like you're walking on a sponge? These could be symptoms of nerve damage or peripheral neuropathy, which affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, especially those with diabetes or vitamin deficiencies. High blood sugar damages nerves over time, while low levels of vitamin B12, essential for nerve health, can also lead to leg weakness. The longer neuropathy goes untreated, the worse it can become. leading to balance issues and even falls. To protect your nerves, monitor your blood sugar levels. Eat a B12-rich diet, including eggs, dairy and leafy greens, and avoid excessive alcohol, which can worsen nerve damage. Gentle leg and foot massages can also help improve nerve function and reduce discomfort. If you notice ongoing numbness, don't ignore it. Speak to your doctor for proper testing and treatment. Number 2. Spinal problems, sciatica and herniated discs. You might not realize it, but your lower back plays a huge role in leg strength. If you have a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even long-term poor posture, it can pinch the nerves in your spine, causing weakness, pain, or sudden collapses in your legs. Symptoms of spinal-related leg weakness include pain that radiates from your lower back down one or both legs, numbness in your feet, or feeling like one leg is weaker than the other. If this sounds familiar, try gentle back stretches such as the knee-to-chest stretch or seated spinal twists. Avoid sitting for long periods, as this puts pressure on your lower back. If you must sit for extended periods, use a lumbar support cushion and make sure to get up and move every 30 minutes. Keeping your spine healthy is key to keeping your legs strong. Reason number 1, electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Ever had a sudden leg cramp in the middle of the night? Do your legs feel shaky or weak out of nowhere? This could be due to a lack of key minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for proper muscle function. Low potassium can cause muscle spasms, weakness, and irregular heartbeats, while a lack of magnesium can lead to twitching, fatigue, and even anxiety. This often happens due to dehydration, certain medications like diuretics, or simply not eating enough mineral-rich foods. To restore balance, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, spinach, and avocados. For magnesium, try almonds, dark chocolate, whole grains, and beans. Also, make sure to drink plenty of water, as dehydration can make these deficiencies worse. If you frequently suffer from leg cramps, try a warm Epsom salt bath before bed. The magnesium in the salts absorbs through your skin, relaxing your muscles and preventing cramps. Voice of wisdom. Don't wait, take charge of your health today. Weak legs are more than just a daily nuisance. They're your body's way of asking for help. At Voice of Wisdom, we want you to see these signs not as limitations, but as a powerful reminder to care for yourself. Whether your leg weakness comes from muscle loss, poor blood flow, nerve troubles, spinal issues, or missing minerals, there are simple changes you can make, starting right now. Begin with small steps. Move your body every day. Even a quick 5-minute walk can spark positive change. Fill your meals with protein and nutrient-dense foods to help rebuild your muscles. Drink more water and keep your minerals in check to prevent weakness. Be mindful of your posture and take care of your spine to avoid nerve pain. Make daily walks a habit to boost your circulation and keep fatigue at bay. Don't wait for things to get worse before you act. Every small action adds up to a stronger, healthier you. If you learned something new today, show your support by liking this video, subscribing to Voice of Wisdom, and sharing this message with friends or family who could use stronger legs and a bit of encouragement. Your feedback means everything to us. Leave a comment and tell us which reason surprised you the most, or what changes you plan to make. Your journey could inspire someone else to start theirs. Remember, at Voice of Wisdom, we're here to walk with you every step of the way.